Hey guys, Larie here. Welcome if you're new to my channel, or welcome back if you are coming back for the second time or more, or you are one of my awesome subscribers. And if you are not, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, share with a friend so we can all be friends. And speaking of friends and family, as I mentioned in one of my last videos, I am in the process of doing a fitness challenge with my family, with my sisters and my mom. And I have since had a couple friends reach out and said, hey, I want to get in on this, and they've sent me pictures. So it's really exciting, really motivating. But about today's video, and I'll get back to the fitness challenge, we are going to be taking down our Christmas tree. Today is the 7th, and I need to get this rolling and get this thing down so it does not roll into Valentine's Day, because I have done that and I almost made it into a Valentine's tree. Let me know if you leave your tree up forever. Now I have a little bit of help. I can recruit my kids and have them, you know, take the little ornaments and set everything down. So we have to take that down. I got to take this wreath down that was up for almost a month after Christmas last year. It's not happening this year. We're going to get right on it. And just a few other things I need to take down as well. I'm strongly considering decorating for Valentine's Day. Don't know if I'm going to get around to it, but I plan to do something small for the kids. They always get excited, and it has become a tradition of ours to decorate for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and Halloween. So back to the challenge. For the month of January, my sisters, mom, and I, and now a few friends and a cousin have jumped on board. We are going to be required to work out every day this month, in the month of January, for at least a half-hour a day, and share a screenshot or progress with each other within a group text. So that's really exciting. Today marks day 7 for me. It feels really good. And one of the things that motivates me the most is a calendar that I made. It's a desktop calendar. It's actually, let me get it for you. So it's in this here book. Today is the 7th. Of course, I'll be adding the hearts for that. And the hearts actually come on this sheet here that I get from Amazon. I can link them below for anyone who might be interested. I make my own cover for my notebook and everything. It's a lot of fun. It's very relaxing. And I get to be creative while I'm making all of these things. So that's another thing I really enjoy about making my own calendar. So in order to earn a heart, there are 4 things that I aim to hit every day. And that is taking my vitamins, exercising, meditating for at least 3 minutes, and gratitude journaling, which I usually do meditating and my gratitude journaling at the end of the night before I fall asleep. And one of the reasons I love doing my meditations and my gratitude journaling at night is because it can have such a wonderful impact on your morning and on your next day. A half hour before we fall asleep are some of the main things that get submitted to our subconscious mind. And when those things are committed to our subconscious, it has a huge effect on our mood. Our mood affects our actions affect our lives. So I try to go to bed on a positive note, take in positive things, and just positive things in general. That's one of the reasons why we don't really have TV in our house. We have a television downstairs that we can stream things on, but there's no network television. I think we need a special antenna for it. We never got it. So we don't have network television, and we don't just let the TV play in the background as background noise, because I personally believe if you leave that stuff playing, then things are infiltrating your mind and your subconscious and getting locked in, and you're getting affected by people's moods and things that are going on the television and the drug commercials and all this, you know, danger and poison, and people are sick, and just, it's too much. We have enough going on, and it's not really hard to come by that stuff. So if I can, I just try to avoid all of that. Anyway, let's get to this tree.
Hello.
We made our own ornaments one year.
I see a candy cane that you missed.
It was so fun.
I'm gonna miss you.
And pass it to mommy.
That was a beautiful memory.
Oh, thank you, baby. It was. We went to the Empire State. Oh. We went to the Statue of Liberty.
Liberty.
I need this thing. Oh, fabulous, darling.
Stop it.
Look at this. You look so fabulous. Look at this, Dita.
covered. I'm covered.
Look at the data. Ooh, dirty.
I can't see. I can literally see my feet.
You can only see your feet?
I can literally see my feet.
This is official, guys. This is for the vlog crunch. Can you do the honors of unplugging the lights for the last time of the year?
Sure. Guys, I'm a little.
It's official. Huh?
Guys, see my feet.
That's it, guys. Until next year.
I feel unstable.
Oh, I'm sorry. Be really still, okay? I don't want you to fall off. Okay. Here.
Okay, I see it.
Oh. You got the whole thing, honey? I don't want
I got it. Take two.
So everything's put away. And next up is Valentine's Day. Hey, I didn't even mean to rhyme. So everything has taken down. So all I have to do is put all those things away a little bit later. I'm about to run out and go meet the crew. We got some snow today, so they went to sled on a hill, and I'm gonna go run out. But I want to see what I ordered from Sephora. I think it's a lippy that I saw in the video. I hope it looks as good in person. It looks like I got an oil-free primer sample, and I got it from the company It Cosmetics. It's the primer. From Dr. Jart, I got some type of moisturizers. Let's see, I bought a lippy. It's a matte in the color. Ooh, Desert Rose. I have to try this out either tonight or in my next vlog. I will show you what it looks like, but it looks like a really nice dusty pink. I also ordered some vitamin D drops. I wanted to start supplementing my vitamin D. I haven't had it checked in a while, and of course it runs a little bit low for people with darker skin, you know, especially African Americans, you know, since we don't get much sunlight here. I ended up ordering my own since I started taking the kids, and I will let you guys know how it goes and if I like it. So beautiful out. Whoa, wipe out. You okay? You okay, baby?
Yeah.
All right, babe.
Okay, are you ready?
Did you bring out the good knees today?
I don't know. It's the adrenaline.
Watch out, baby!
Hey.
Wipe out! Oh, Poppy bit the dust. Should I go on my tummy?
No.
First one is sitting.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2.
Oh! I made it. One hand, baby. Ah, that was great. I gotta go again, y'all.
I'll go by myself. Green, let go.
2, 3.
It's sliding down.
Wait. Let's go, girl. 2, 3. Put your knees up a little bit. Okay, go.
It's kind of fun. That was amazing.
All right, so we're back home. We're ready to have some dinner, showers, time to relax and enjoy the rest of our Friday evening. I will see you again soon. I hope your weekend is off to a great start too. All right, I did 33 minutes with Juice and Toya. Struggle at the end, y'all. Good night.